Jaod bura ma Laikipia East Mwangi Kiunjuri ogolo siem ne josiasa manie sirikal mondo were gigo siasa motenore kod akwede mag dhoudi, kowacho ni siasa ma kamago keto piny Kenya kama rach kendo duoko ji chien. Kanoloso e gwenge Malaki e kar chung od bura mare ma Laikipia East, Kiunjuri owacho ni dhoudi duto nyaka mi luor mowinjore. Jaod bura no nokwedo moko kuom josiasa ma wacho weche moko mageto pogo gwenge ma Mount Kenya. Wacho Kiunjuri goeko obiro e kinde ma josiasa manyo sir kuom jopiny kotenore kod dhoudi motelo ne yiero ma 2027.
Na wale wengine wako ndani ya Kenya wasifikirie kwa sababu Mount Kenya watu hawajafurahi ati watu Mount Kenya region wako na shida na president ama na serikali ati wataingilia katikati. Iwe tena tumerudia ile siasa ya 41 against 1. Ati tunataka kugawa nchi ya Kenya tuweke Mkikuyu kando na Mumeru. Nataka kusema sisi wote tuko ndani ya serikali. Wale viongozi ambao wameanza kueneza ukabila kwa sababu ati kuna shida Mount Kenya region lazima wakome. Tunataka kuelezea viongozi wengine watuheshimu. Na hii heshima lazima itapatikana. Kama uko Western Kenya, kama uko Mombasa, kama uko Nyanza, isiwe ati ukiamuka sasa kwa sababu kuna shida Mount Kenya region unaweka Wakikuyu wote kwa debe moja. Unaweka watu ya Mlima kwa debe moja. Hiyo lazima tuwaelezee kinaganaga. Sisi hatutakubali kutengwa kwa sababu kama kuna Mkikuyu amekosea wengine, pigana na huyo Mkikuyu peke yake.
Imedo neno weche manyien mag migago kowuok e Ramogi TV en thuolo mar kawo yueyo mokwongo. Ka waduogo to wabro dhi nyime gi mathoth, kik idhi mabor.
Explore the Holy Land this Easter na View Travel. Embark on a 6-day Jordan adventure. Celebrate Easter Sunday Mass at Jesus Baptism Site, Mount Nebo, where Moses saw the Promised Land. Explore ancient Petra, tour Amman City and the City of Mosaics, and stargaze in Wadi Ram's enchanting night sky. All these and more starting from $1,490 per person sharing. Book now and lipa pole pole. Visit viewtravel.com or call and WhatsApp 0703 254 254. View Travel. Dream, explore, discover.
How do you expect me to live without Tasha?
Hey, look, sir, with all due...
Viusasa brings you the most thrilling, emotional and inspiring dramas. Meet Monica, a beautiful young woman with big dreams and a burning desire to escape the ghetto she grew up in. Will the world she's trying to leave behind pull her back? In Ahadi, surprise! Hans, an orphan, returns home to face his late father's will. He's expecting money, but Hans lied. On Makanika, there's a talented musician who just needs one break.
I have no time. Give him a chance.
Will his music career survive, or will the streets take him back?
You just have to work hard.
These are the stories that will keep you hooked, only on Viusasa.
I wanna tell you I love you.
Beikuri marcha kuwuoth e piny mar thum. Thumbe mane oloko tieng' mang'eny. Fwenyo sigendni, wende mag piny, koda sigendni mayudore e wendego.
Okay. I didn't get Ravi.
Ngoma wake. En kama gik mane otimore chon koda matimore sani chopo e winjruok maber chuth. Ngoma owake wuok tich nyaka tich abich saa 10 odhiambo. Kik bai. Wakelonu chenro mar Tiedero.
Citizen Kenya, Freddy Afune Papa.
kama iyude mor mar wende mag rumba kokelni kod Ninja the Entertainer kod DJ Smollett. En miel gi wer motimo Cathedral. Eye kanyo bende wakelo ni jangolo mar juma. Chieng' Ngeso ka Ngeso chakre sa 11:30 odhiambo nyaka sa 1 otieno mana e Ramogi TV.